Hi, this is Watch Hobby, and today I'll be doing another unboxing. I got this watch from Gruppo, as you can see here, Gruppo, and this is the Venturo. I've taken the liberty to take out the DHL plastic, so this is what you get. It is actually a watch box come traveling case, as you can see here. So it's like hard plastic cover and zip it. Unzipping it, you'll find a watch box which has effectively location for two wristwatch, nice hard plastic separators, and a small section to put all the necessary documentation. So here there is a guarantee the guarantee documentation, as well as the tool to take out the spring bars to replace the straps if you want to. So this is the watch that I got, which is a Gruppo Venturo Field watch number 2. Anyway, I'll do a full review on this watch later, but that's about it on this unboxing. Okay, thank you so much. Follow the channel. Bye.